Today, reports emerged that over 100 Tibetans were